We got some steps we needs to iron out. Meet me at my man's house, stepshows.com. About to make us stand out. Alphas to the Zetas, Kappas to the Thetas, Q's to them haters. You can misuse the fakers. Born to be a Greek, whether sorrow or fret. You can scream what you scream. Holla back. Need to check the website. Get your head tight. STEP shows. That's right.
I can make you famous. I can make you famous. 187.
Evolved from simplistic tribal tradition to a form of competitive art created by the men of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. In 1920, the ladies of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated were founded. They took the flapper girl approach to the competitive art created by their
Trust like a monkey, I don't know we run the time.